What do you think, Hayes? Yeah, the beach. Just to the left. We already went to the beach. Yeah, the beach. Thank you, Slater. Thanks, Hayes. You want to go somewhere new? You didn't like the beach too much. Come on, let's go in here. We can smell Blue and Roxy. Oh, we got stuck. I got you. It doesn't matter where a dog feels nervous, they're gonna feel nervous. You better? What do you think? Is this all new? Thank you, Hayes. Go look. You gonna sit here? That's okay. You okay, Hayes? Yeah, good job. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk back. We're gonna rest here a minute. Hi, you okay? See, we always go back to somewhere familiar. There you go. You ready? Don't have to go far on the walk, and there's the van. Oh, you okay, Hayes? You don't like this at all, do you, Hayes? I want my spots back. Hold on, let's stop. Here comes a dog walker. Hayes, let's stop for a second. Oh, the traffic. You okay? Thank you, Slater. Hold on, Hayes. I gotta watch dog walker truck. Hold on, Hayes. We'll get there, I promise. All right, ready? Let's go. Let's go find the van. Stop. All right, we can go. Let's go find the van. Woof! Haha, got you. He got you. I see him. Ready? No more beach? Go ahead, Slater. There you go. Whoops, sorry. You okay? What? Oh, that was stressful. Okay. See, it was all new. I don't know what to do. This is also known as aftercare. Help them feel better. After stress. This is all new. What are you looking for, Slater? What are you looking for? Somewhere? Yeah. Oh, I got the toes. Thank you. Are you ready to go home? This always matters. Doesn't matter where we go. It's a beach day. There's these two dogs. Figure why not go? Did not know all the kids were going to be there.